Welcome back, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. We haven't recorded in a while, but in today's video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sand down a piece of the clear coat and we're gonna restore it, buff it out with the wax turtle wax, and hopefully we'll bring back this Charger back to life. We're only gonna do this part today, but we are gonna do the rest of the car eventually. Probably get it done by the end of the month. So stay tuned, watch the video on how we could do it, and let us know in the comments what you guys think. So yeah. Results. It was our first time doing it, but as you can tell, it's very shiny, glossy. Couple scratches, but we couldn't get those all. Those are like deep scratches to it. So here you go, guys. We're about to reveal how it looks before and after. Look at that. Definitely a huge difference. Algo? Yeah. Hell yeah. Let us know what you guys think.
All right, guys, so we just did this side. Now we got to do this side. We sanded, polished, did it with the little gun right there. This side, you can hear the difference. See how rough it is, and then smooth.
Hell yeah.
So let's get to it. We'll update you guys on the rest.
So we ended up finishing up this side of the trunk. As you can see, this paint is already kind of messed up. It's been sitting for like 4 years in the sun. But as you can see, very shiny, very glossy. We brought it back to life. We only did this part of it. The rest we still gotta do, but you can tell the difference. Very good, you can tell the difference. We're happy with the results. It's fucking smooth.
First time wet sanding and polishing, so it's not the best, but it's definitely a lot better.
Algo bien.
Algo bien.